welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy fried chicken tenders. To get started, I have about 2 pounds of chicken tenders here that I washed in vinegar, and I'll be using some cornstarch, all-purpose flour. I have some fresh green seasoning, and for the dry seasoning I have garlic and onion powder, bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, paprika, and some black pepper. So the first thing you want to do is combine all of the seasonings, mix well, and set aside. To the chicken tenders, we'll add 1 tablespoon of that green seasoning, and then we'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of the seasoning that we mixed up. We will get in there with our hands and mix the combine. Then we will cover and allow it to sit for about an hour or 2. If you want to fry it right away, you can go ahead. It will still taste amazing. Now to the flour and cornstarch, we will add the remaining seasoning that we mixed up. Mix that well and set aside. To a separate bowl, I will add about 3 tablespoons of the flour mixture that we mixed up, and then I will add a little bit of water to this to make a thin, runny consistency. We will use this as the batter that we will fry the chicken with. Now you want to coat the chicken with that batter, mix that well, and then we'll start breading the chicken for frying. Now we'll go ahead and just coat our chicken real well in that flour, and we will just set it aside. Carry on with this process until we're all done. Then we'll head over to the stove and start frying. To my preheated oil, I will now start placing my chicken tenders in there. I will place 4 at a time so as to not overcrowd the skillet. We will fry these up, for about 5 minutes or so. These don't take long to fry. They're super thin and they fry up real fast. So once they're nice and golden brown and crispy, we will remove them and just carry on with this process until we're all done. And here you have it, fried chicken tenders. My kids enjoy this. It was so good. It was juicy, flavorful, and everything you would want in some chicken tenders. Once I broke into it, it was perfectly cooked on the inside, still soft and juicy, but crispy on the outside. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.